Got some new wheels and tires today, lugs, rings. Ordered them from Fitment Industries. It's my first time ever buying wheels, like aftermarket wheels for a car. But I just can't handle the 16-inch wheels on my Passat. The 16-inch Carolina wheels on the OEM wheels on my Passat, they I believe weigh 23 pounds is what I found online. And then it has the like cheapo Ironman balloon tires on it. I just can't stand the way it looks, so I went pretty budget without getting like horrible cheap wheels, I think. I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing here. This is my first venture into changing stuff out of my car. I normally just bought a car, drive it till it breaks, get it fixed. I never like modify them or anything like that. So this is the first experience for me. First time, like I went and picked this up at FedEx Freight because it's just easier that way for me to go pick it up from the freight instead of trying to schedule a delivery with them. And it was fairly easy to just go pick them up. I took them off the pallet and just threw them in the van. I barely looked at them, just quick enough to see that they weren't damaged and that they were what I ordered, and threw them in the van and drove off. So now I'm really going to open up everything, look at everything, wipe the wheels off a little bit, kind of examine the finish, you know, all that sort of stuff. And I guess maybe talk a little bit about my experience with Fitment Industries, which was positive. You know, again, granting I've not ordered wheels from anyone else ever, so I don't have anything to compare to, but I'm happy with the experience so far. This stuff was in the middle, between the tires. Was in there with some bubble wrap, so it wouldn't move around too much. And this came. What's barking? There must be a kid toy in here making noise. Oh, weird. Anyways, this came first, and this is the rings. So I think first, I'll check this stuff out first. I don't know anything about this hardware. Like I said, I've not bought any of this kind of stuff before. It's like got moisture on it from my fingers. It looks fine. I don't know. I have no idea about varying qualities of these things. I'm assuming Fitment Industries uses something that's not going to cause problems, though. I'm not worried about it. Mr. Lugnut wheel accessories. 14 millimeter by 1. That's cool. I probably won't put it on my car. I'm not much into putting stickers on my car. Who knows? Card. Cool thank you letter kind of thing, plus some marketing stuff. Cool. Now I'm getting a cow noise. Oh, it's this thing. Why is this even in here? Where did this even come from? My kids are 7 and 9. That's weird. Okay. And then what do we have here? This is the center caps. I don't think the Volkswagen ones are going to fit on these wheels, if I read correctly. Which, again, we'll see. I don't know if I care. I don't know if I like these ones that much. At least they're not too weird looking. Pop them out of here. So yeah, I got these Advanti, the hell were they? Well, that says Vigoroso on it, but that's not what they were that I ordered. Vigoroso. All right, let's take a look at these. Good look. I like them. They don't look quite, the finish doesn't look quite the same as they looked on the website, but you know, that's product photography for you. The experience with Fitment Industries is great. I think their website's pretty good. I've watched a ton of their videos. They answer questions quickly via email, which I always appreciate because I really hate calling places. I don't like calling. I want to shoot an email and just hopefully get a response. And man, the second I placed my order, I think I started getting contacted within like, I don't know, 20 minutes about my order. A couple of different people along the chain of the process of the order, and they were all very pleasant and very responsive to questions, and the wheels showed up exactly as fast as they said they would. It was easy to get them from FedEx, and everything looks right with my order. I guess I have to go through each wheel and look at them just to make sure nothing's, you know, damaged before I actually try to put them on the car, which it's getting kind of late and I need to put my kids to bed, but there's no way I can go to bed tonight with these sitting in my garage. All right, I'm about to install my new 18 by 8 ET45 Advandi Sveltos with the cheapo, you can even see it, Vercelli something or other, the cheapest one on Fitment Industries website. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I really doubt they're going to be any worse than the 16s with these balloons on them, these Ironman GR 906s. There we go.
Bam. They look way better than the stock wheels did.
They're dirty right now and it's raining, but you get the idea.
Very happy with them so far. Need to lower it. Of course, I still got that monster truck wheel gap there, but very happy.